Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So today we got the Honda inspected and it passed. So we got all that done, so that's good. And we're about to drive it. We got the key out of the ignition. I guess it was a short key that they used. So we took that off of there and I actually got it out. I actually pushed it all the way in there. So I called the owner of the old vehicle that we bought it from, and he gave us some tips and we got it out. So let's get ready and drive this. We're gonna go up to Lowe's and see if we can get some paint and stuff for this car and some primer and some sandpaper and stuff, and we'll see what we can find. But I thought you'd want to take a ride in it after we did all the work to it. So let's go for a ride in Honda Vtec. Let's go. All right, so Corey's driving the Vtec Honda. We got it. 95 Vtec Honda Accord 2.2 liter. You can see right there the SRS light bag. It's off. I got it cleared. There's no lights on the dash. Check engine light's not on. We need to get a little bit of gas. But other than that, we got the CV boot, CV axle. We got the sway bar linkage done. We got the sway bar linkage, the boot, or the bushings. Sorry, the bushings done. CV axle and brakes in the front. Brake pedal's really good now. So we put new carpet right here. I know it's a little dirty right now, but we're gonna get some floor mats. We got that done. Got this all cleaned up. We got a Kenwood radio with the little wireless mic. It was already in here, so that's good. That's a good. So that'd be a good selling point. So yeah, I think the car drives a lot better than it did. It's not misfiring, it's not shaking. So we're gonna go up to the Wawa up the road, and we're gonna get some gas, and then we'll go up to Walmart and Lowe's and pick up some stuff so we can start the body work on this. So let's get some gas, and we'll go for a quick ride. All right, we're at the Wawa. We're gonna get ready, put some gas in the Honda, and then we'll go for a ride. So let's fill it up and then check it out. All right, so we got some gas and shut the sunroof. Got the sunroof open. How to close it? All right. So now you can actually hear me. So we got some gas at Wawa, and we're driving the Honda. See, it's running a lot better than it did. So the idle's really good. Takes off now. It's got some power. So we're gonna come up to this road up here, and we'll show you taking off. It's got some power now. It actually wants to get up and go, and actually got the Vtec open now. So that's good. So we just got to drain the oil before we sell it. So we'll put some high mileage engine oil, get the transmission fluid. We put a little transmission fluid in the oil just to burn all that stuff out of the head and all the cams, around the cams and everything like that. So we got that. So yeah, I think it's a lot better than it did. So right over here, I can't put the passenger window down because we got to replace the window regulator, and I got to get all that tape that they put on this window. I got to get this all off of here. So we're probably going to do that tomorrow since it's raining today. So we'll get that done. We're going to get the back hitch off today. Yeah, we'll probably get the back hitch off today, clean that up, put it on let go so we can sell it. But it's running so much better. Heat's on, heat's working. There's the put gas in it. See, no lights on. Got almost a full tank, so almost $18. Almost filled it up. So it's gonna be a nice car once we get it going. Got the inspection done. So right over there, got the inspection done. So it finally passed. So that's good. So yeah. So let's come up to this road, and then I'll be right back. Alright, see how much power this thing has now. Shift at 5,000 RPMs, which is good. Means the Vtec opened up. Close the thing. Close the sunroof. There we go. Yeah, I gotta get this window up. Here, the window is from this window. Gotta get that all the way up. There's a board actually holding it up right now. Yep, it does. So, all right, well, we'll go to Walmart. We'll pick up some cloth. We're gonna pick up some cloth. We're gonna do that. Center console. We're gonna wrap it, make that look good. I don't know what we're gonna do about this. Well, we might sand it down. We might just leave it. I don't know. But other than that, I think this car looks so much better. We got to get the back seat right there. We got to get the back seat in there and clean all that up. We got to get the seats shampooed after we get this all done. But we're gonna focus on the body work and the paint first, and this will be the last thing we'll do with that. But other than that, yeah, we got the key out of the ignition, so that's good. So let's go to Walmart and Lowe's and see what we can pick up for the car. So we'll be right back when we get to Lowe's. All right, so we went to Lowe's. We got some stuff for the car, and we're here at Walmart. But I heard some sloshing in the back, and I think that we have a fish tank in the trunk. But we're gonna check it out. So let's see. All right, we're about to open this up. We got some baking soda back there soaking. Let's open the thing up. No, there's no water back here. So what's that noise?
Well, probably the gas. Don't look wet unless it's under here.
Nope, it's all dry. That's good. I thought we were gonna have a problem. All right, well, I guess we don't have a problem, so that's good. We got to get this vacuumed out and shampooed, but we put this back here because it had a little bit of smell. And there's that piece for over here, so we're gonna have to pop that out there. But let's go into Walmart and see what else we can get for the car. So. All right, well, we came back from Walmart and Lowe's and we started doing a little bit of work to the car, so we'll just do a quick overview of what we did and what's going to be next in the upcoming video. So right here, we got the hitch off the back, sitting over there. So we got that done, and we got the wiring out of the back. Still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, shampooed. Got that all done. So there's a little bit of water, but I think it's from that O-ring right there. And another reason, it's because of right over there, the drain tube for the sunroof. So we're gonna have to clean that out. But we got that done. Got a little bit of the body work. We got that bumped out so we can fill it in, sand it down. We got the window all scraped off, all the tape off of it with some Goo Gone and a razor blade. We got that cleaned up. So we're gonna start sanding down the car here and doing some body work, but that will be in upcoming video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video of driving the Honda and finding out what was running better and all that. And we got some paint and we got some tape and some stuff for the car, and we got some more sandpaper. So we took off the hitch, got that done, the driver's passenger side window. So we're getting ready to do the window regulator and some body work. So that'll be in the upcoming videos. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, share, like our channel. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motor Garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on JC Motor Garage.